Nathan has 9 balloons. The amount of balloons his sister has is represented below. So what is the important information here? Well, it says Nathan has 9 balloons. So we're looking for 9 times 2, because that's the amount his sister has, right? So let's see. Nathan has twice as many balloons as his sister. Well, we know that his sister has 9 times 2. Twice, boys and girls, as many means 2 times. So it says Nathan has 2 times as many balloons as his sister. Is that right? No, because we know Nathan only has 9 balloons. Nathan doesn't have 2 times as many balloons as his sister. So we know A is wrong. It says his sister has twice as many balloons as Nathan. Well, we know Nathan has 9 balloons, and if his sister has twice as many, that means she has 2 times as many balloons as Nathan. So 2 times, 9 times 2. Does 9 times 2 match 9 times 2? Yes, so B works. Let's see if C works, though, because we're responsible mathematicians. Nathan has 9 times as many balloons as his sister. Well, if Nathan has 9 and his sister has 9 times 2, does Nathan have 9 times as many balloons as his sister? No. Because Nathan only has 9 balloons. C does not work. D. His sister has 9 times as many balloons as Nathan. Boys and girls, what would that look like? So if Nathan has 9, and here it says his sister has 9 times as many balloons as Nathan, so 9 times as many balloons. Does 9 times 9 equal 9 times 2? No. So we know that D is incorrect. So if you got B, you're right.